Hey there, all you car enthusiasts and DE mechanics. Today, I've got something really special to share with you. If you're a proud owner of a Honda vehicle, then you know the importance of using genuine OEM parts to keep your engine running smooth and strong. And that's exactly why I'm here to talk to you about the genuine Honda 15400 PLM A02 oil, Honeywell, filter.now. I know what you're thinking. An oil filter may not seem like the most exciting purchase, but let me tell you, this little blue gem is a game changer when it comes to maintaining the health and longevity of your engine. This is not just any aftermarket part, it's the real deal, straight from the factory. When it comes to your vehicle, you don't want to take any chances with subpar parts. With the genuine Honda 15400 PLM A02 oil, Honeywell, filter, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're getting an exact fit for your Honda vehicle, and it's built to last. This filter is all about durability and best-in-quality performance, which is exactly what you need to keep your engine running at its best. So, why should you choose this genuine OEM oil filter over other options? Well, it's simple. When you invest in quality parts like this one, you're investing in the long-term health of your vehicle. You get what you pay for, and with the genuine Honda 15400 PLM A02 oil, Honeywell, filter, you're getting the best. So, if you're ready to take your engine maintenance to the next level, I highly recommend clicking the link in the description to purchase the genuine Honda 15400 PLM A02 oil, Honeywell, filter. Don't settle for anything less than the best for your Honda vehicle. Trust me, your engine will thank you for it. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more top-notch recommendations and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.